এখানে দেখো বেগুন চাষ হয়েছে, ওখানে পেঁপে, বেগুন হয়েও আছে দেখতে পাচ্ছি। ওইদিকে উচ্ছে গাছ, পেঁপে গাছগুলোতে পেঁপে অলরেডি হয়ে ঝুলছে, খুবই ভালো লাগে দেখতে। আর ওদিকে তো ধান চাষ হচ্ছে।
A few moments later.
Okay guys, this is a kind of place where my dad wanted to visit for so many days. So right now we are in Thamsha area. This is a Thamsha tribal kitchen area. It's located in the eco park area, so I'll be continuing after the vlog ends. So till now just enjoy the vlog, and right now we are almost approaching towards the Thamsha tribal village. So it's a kind of tribal village we are right now. So before that, welcome back to the channel everyone. Well, I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Well, I think there's a construction going on over here. Well guys, I have a question to you. So the question is, just tell me honestly, কতজন তোমরা এখানে চাও ট্রাইবাল ফুড খেতে কলকাতাতে, আর মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্টলি ইন দ্য নিউ টাউন এরিয়া? জাস্ট টেল মি। ঠিক আছে,
ভেতর না হলেও আমাদের কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, বাইরে বসতে পারি। চোখ কতগুলো।
এখানে দেখো বেগুন চাষ হয়েছে, ওখানে পেঁপে, বেগুন হয়েও আছে দেখতে পাচ্ছি। ওইদিকে উচ্ছে গাছ, পেঁপে গাছগুলোতে পেঁপে অলরেডি হয়ে ঝুলছে, খুবই ভালো লাগে দেখতে। আর ওদিকে তো ধান চাষ হচ্ছে।
Okay, so I think it looks like there are lots and lots of things in Dhamsa area. So nice to see. All those plantations over here are ওদিকে তো like puro paddy field বলতে পারি. Well, now guys, there are lots of trees. So right now we are moving towards the kitchen. So we have an AC kitchen and sorry, not kitchen. We have an AC restaurant as well as we have non-AC. So we have booked non-AC in Book My Show. So the procedure are mentioned in the description box right below, so we can just watch it. And right now we are moving towards it. So let's see, and we will definitely give the reviews. Okay, so as you can see, these are the non-AC part. So people can sit over here. They can book their tickets in Book My Show, and they can sit over here in the non-AC. This is a non-AC actually, and over there that is the AC. Well, since the clock was ticking at around 6 p.m., hence we didn't go for any lunch item. So we had the evening snacks. So these are the evening snacks. And yes guys, if you are demanding for the lunch, so definitely I will show it to you, some of the pictures and the menu card just before ending the vlog. Okay guys, আমাদের খাবার চলে এসেছে। সো প্রথমে আমরা পেয়েছি হচ্ছে মুড়ি প্ল্যাটার, দেন এটা হচ্ছে পেঁয়াজি, আলুর চপ, ফিশ ফ্রাই এদিকে, আর তার সাথে সাথে চা বিকেলে। সো লেটস সি। ওকে, ফার্স্ট টেস্ট করছি হচ্ছে ফিশ ফ্রাই। সো লেটস সি। আই এম টেকিং দ্য ফার্স্ট বাইট। It really tastes good, and I think it's kind of spicy even, and it definitely tastes good. Okay guys, আমাদের ফিশ চপ আমরা ফার্স্টে নিলাম, ফিশ ফ্রাই, sorry fish fry. So it tastes good really, and right now we are having the muri platter along with, what is that actually?
চপ, পেঁয়াজি।
Chop and peyaji, yeah, kind of confusing. So first I'm gonna try the tea. Let's see.
এক কাপ চায়ের দাম 39 রুপিস।
Yeah, it's 40 rupees. Yeah, almost. So tea is, honestly speaking, the tea is average.
হ্যাঁ, ভেরি অ্যাভারেজ। আর
Okay, according to my mom, it's very average. So for me, it's average, and it's good. Let's see muri platter. Well, the spoon is kind of bigger, I think.
ঝালমুড়ি খুব ভালো।
This is nice. It tasted nice. I think you guys must try this one.
চপও ভালো, খুব টেস্টি।
And let's try this chop. This is
পেঁয়াজি,
peyaji, yeah.
অনিয়ন পাকোড়া।
In peyaji, they have given so much of oil.
আরে ভাই, এটা তেলে ভাজা, অয়েল তো লাগবেই।
Obviously, tele bhaja. And yeah, it tasted good.
এটা চপ, আলুর
This
চপ।
is aloo chop. This is average. It tastes nice, but I think it's average. Finally, the food vlog session is over now. So honest reviews, ফিশ ফ্রাইটাই সব থেকে বেশি ভালো লেগেছে আমার। তার সাথে সাথে আলুর চপটা তাও ঠিক আছে, অ্যাভারেজ বলতে পারো। তার সাথে সাথে অলমোস্ট লাইক দ্য দুধ চা যেটা আমি খেয়েছি সেটাও অলমোস্ট বেটার, অ্যান্ড কাইন্ড অফ অ্যাভারেজ, ইউ ক্যান ইভেন সে দ্যাট। অ্যান্ড তার সাথে সাথে পেঁয়াজি যেটা খেয়েছি সেটাও ভালো, একটু অয়েল বেশি ছিল, বাট আই লাইকড ইট। সো ওভারঅল ইট ওয়েন্ট গুড. Well guys, now it's time to go back. So overall I like the management of the Dhamsa kitchen, and it's quite amazing to see that how in that way they are running the show. So right now I'm gonna show you the location via Google Maps, and then I'm gonna end the vlog. So guys, if you wanna search for the Dhamsha tribal kitchen, so you can locate it in here via Google Maps. So this is Salt Lake City, and just above it, this is the VIP road connecting through Baguihati, and you're entering Rajaghat in the Newtown area, and that is Eco Park. You can even go from the EM bypass through Chingrighatta flyover. Then you can also connect through Sector 5, and then you can connect to Newtown, and finally the Eco Park will come. And I'm zooming in. Then you can go through this way. On the right side you can find the Westin Hotel, and on the left side you can find the Eco Park. And I'm just zooming in once more. There is the Butterfly Garden, and that is the Eco Park gate number 6, which is the first gate for Dhamsha Tribal Kitchen. Then I'm zooming in once more, and finally you can locate the Dhamsha Tribal Kitchen over here, just beside the Butterfly Garden, and there's a huge dome which is under construction. So I clicked over here, and you can even see the reviews of the other customers which they have given in the past. So you can just scroll down and see their reviews. You can also take the phone number if you want to. You can contact on the Google Maps, and there are some reviews given by some customers. So that's it, guys. But one more thing, guys, the location and the ambience of Dhamsha is tucked deep inside the Eco Park. And in fact, if you are frequent to the place, you need to get inside the gate number 1 or even gate number 6, which is the first entrance, and drive for around almost like 1.5 kilometers towards the Herbs Garden and the golf course. Now somewhere in between, after the nice Marine Drive, actually, here comes the Dhamsha. Well, now there are two aspects to this. Either you will love the walk, it's beautiful and soothing, honestly speaking, but for an aged person it's slightly difficult. But once you reach the place, it's beautiful, it's amazing. There are a few open air seating arrangements outside. Well, food is served there but is used for some nice leisurely time, pre or post meal maybe. So inside, this is the AC restaurant, and it's well decorated, no issues. And the good part is the pricing at Dhamsha is extremely pocket friendly, and at times you can be surprised at how they're running the show. It's amazing, guys. Okay, so that's it, guys. Right now I'm gonna show you the menu card for the evening snacks. So right over here it's written Godhuli Velar Adda. So down below you can check the amount of each and every item presented. So that's it, guys. As a whole, our vlog comes to an end. So if you have liked this vlog, so go ahead and hit the like button, and definitely subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet. Just go ahead and hit the bell icon, because I'm gonna bring all the videos whichever you want to see. And don't forget to share this among your friends and family and all buddies around you, because you have to stay safe since the third wave is coming very soon and it's knocking at the door. Anyways, guys, thank you.